In this lecture, we will discuss reports. Reports prepare your data for printed output. Reports gather information from tables and queries and add format and page layout capabilities in order to organize the data and make it more legible. They resemble forms in many ways. As you can see, there are several different ways to create reports. To create a report in 2 clicks, select Table or Query and click Report icon. Let's select Guest Room Details Query. As you can see, Report open in Design View. There is one new view called Print View. It shows how our document will look like in final representation. To get rid of boxes in the report, click on Design View and Format tab, select all rows. Click Shape Outline and click Transparent. Let's save this report. Let's suppose we want to create a report in such way that name of the guest is displayed followed by its check-in dates. For this, go to Create tab and select Report Wizard. Select Table Order of Columns is important. In this section, we can group our data by guests, in which if the guest has multiple check-ins then it will show that guest first. Or by room assignments, which we have seen before in the previous report. We can also make grouping by columns. If a certain guest has same last name, it will make a group of that. Sort records by check-in date in the descending order for newest entries first. In this section, it's asking for the layout of the report. Name the report. It automatically replaces the old report. Let's fix this report by redesigning it. There are lots of sections in Design View. On the top, there is Report Header, below it, Page Header for the column name. Every time we switch to a new guest, it shows last name column. Detail section is for check-in data. The detail section will repeat over and over for every guest. And at the end is the page footer. Let's adjust the size of the columns. Now add one more column, room ID. As you can see, it's in proper form. Now let's add formatting to our report. Adjust the title. Change the color of title text. Now change the header background color and add a logo. I have used this image in previous lectures as my watermark. Make some more changes. So let's create a search in our report. As you know, we have created this report from a query, so we can add criteria in our query to create search function. Open query, go to Design View and add criteria. For wildcard search, add this in your criteria. If we want to highlight something in our report, we use the conditional formatting rule. Let's take a look at an example. Take monthly summary query, create a new report. Go to Design View. Apply Group and sort to year and month. Select Count Assignment ID and select Conditional Formatting under Format tab. It will launch Conditional Formatting Rule Manager. Create a new rule. There are two options. We can check the values of the current record or we can compare values. Select the first option. We can select field value or expression. I'm gonna leave as it is. Next drop-down will allow us greater than, less than, between, etc. Select greater than or equal to. Next, select the color and apply. Create a duplicate of sum of rates column. Now let's create bar graph for sum of revenue. Select Conditional Formatting and select Compare Values. Select Show Bars Only and apply. Apply Shape Fill to the created bar chart. Select Revenue, Month and Year and apply Conditional Formatting. If we want to highlight entire row where count of assignment ID is greater than or equal to 5, choose the first option. Select Expression is. Type expression in square brackets. Oops, selected wrong sign. Correct the sign, here you go. That fix the problem. There's our finished report. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.